What is up, guys? This is Gameboy24. You should know about this Superman on DVD. We're doing our unboxing. Superman Returns widescreen edition. I pick up for the Amazon.com. I really like Superman. Here's the spine. DVD. And the back. It's Beyond Super. 154 minutes. Rated PG. Widescreen edition. 2006. It doesn't says special features. That's supposed to be. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, it's already open. Alright, let's open it up. Shrink wrap is off. I'm gonna throw in the garbage. And here it is on DVD. I really like this movie. I'm gonna watch it tonight. Let's open this. Cool. Okay, they have the disc Superman Returns widescreen DVD. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Brand new. Thanks for watching. I see you next video. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get the Killzone for PS3. See you next time. Peace.